Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all? I hope all are well. I am Fahim. Today's video, I will show you how to remove picture background or Photoshop background without using Photoshop and all others any tool. Just drag and drop and remove the Photoshop background. So that's why I collect two pictures, these pictures and this girl picture. I will remove the BG without using Photoshop tools. I just using online. The first of all, I search on Google is the keyword is BG remove. Then I saw a website www.remove.bg. I click this link and this is the magic website. You can see here some example they're showing. This is the background removed. This is original, and this is removed background image. You can see. So let's try. We now remove a background. So it's super simple and easy. Just you need to click upload image and you just select this image, which image you need to change the background, like that. First of all, I select this image and then I just wait. Awesome. The remove background is, this is the nice. Just you can click download. You can see just a few seconds I removed all my background, and then I just check another image. I just upload this one and then I will check. Awesome. This is super simple step. You can remove your background easily. So these two images, then I removed background. Now you can click download and you can see you can see this is super smooth. They removed the background, the image background is easily without using any Photoshop tool, and you no need to use the eraser tool. You just drag and drop the image and just the background remover tools remove this website. Artificial intelligence works automatically, and if you need to clean this background image, you can do it here. This is the erase and restores. You can see this is erase and this is restore, and this is the brush size. You can see and it is the restore. If you need to manually work, you can work it manually. That's it. And this is the background. You can restore the background again, and you can replace the sky, or you can replace the background image in here using these tools. And you can just click download. Then you can see your background image removed, and add new background, and you can download it. So this is the today's video. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, please thumbs up and share this video. If you have any feedback or comment, please leave the comment in the comment box as soon as possible. I try to reply your comment. That's it. Thank you so much.